M.Tejal Reshma, studying standard 9th in St. Joseph Convent School. Today we are going to discuss about two topics. Those are Jallianwala Bagh and the Hunter Commission. Firstly, let's discuss about the Jallianwala Bagh. On 10th April 1919, two nationalist leaders, Dr. Saifuddin Kichle and Dr. Satya Paul, were arrested in Punjab under the infamous Rowlatt Act. It is an act passed by the British government to increase the grip on power over the common folk. On 13th April 1919, the people gathered in a small park in Amritsar which was called Jallianwala Bagh. They gathered here to protest against these arrests of the nationalists. This peaceful gathering was made by men, women and children. General Dyer, a British military officer, stationed a regiment of soldiers at the only entrance of the gate. Declared the meeting illegal and without warning the people, he ordered his soldiers to fire. The fighting lasted for 10 minutes till all the ammunition was exhausted. More than 1,000 people were killed and twice that number were wounded. This massacre was worth calling it a genocide and it stunned the entire country. On 30th May 1919, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood and Gandhi returned his Kaiser-i-Hind Gold Medal, which was given to him during the Boer War for his work. Now, let's discuss about the Hunter Commission. Hunter Commission. It is a 1919 investigation into a British massacre Jallianwala Bagh, which killed more than 1,000 Indian civilians. This investigation was led by Dr. William Wilson Hunter. The main objective of the commission was to investigate the Jallianwala Bagh massacre case. This commission was formed on 29th October 1919. On 26th May 1920, this commission gave its report of this case of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In it, the majority of the people blamed Mr. General Dyer for his mistaken concept of the duty. Thank you.